Here's the deal. When you go outside or you peek out the window, you're going to notice there's a lot of clouds around, and it looks rather murky. And we even have rain that is showing up on radar, but we have very dry air in place. And one nice thing about dry air, not only does it help to soak up potential rain, it also warms quicker. So as we go through the day today, we will see the mercury rising rather quickly. And yes, you see we still have the clouds around. Light southerly breezes will help to keep that warm air moving in. And those southerly breezes are just starting to pick up a little bit. So 50 degrees right now in Youngstown. That's the cool spot. 58 for Mansfield and Elyria, 59 in the Cuyahoga County Airport area out toward Euclid. But for the most part, we will be hitting 60 rather quickly. And I mentioned the rain that is showing up on the radar. All of this is just virga. That means that it is rain that is falling and it evaporates before it hits the ground. Except there may be a few rogue sprinkles that come through. And when we start to see the darker greens and an uptick toward yellow, that's probably where our best chance to have a random sprinkle would be. So if I could do this real fast for you here in this magical thing that I have, you can kind of see how all these showers are generally moving from west to east. Again, these are all aloft, but as this one has been coming in, it's held together fairly well. And there's another one following right behind it out a little bit farther to the west. So we may have a few rogue sprinkles, as mentioned, and those would be most prevalent out to the west as of right now. But all of us have very dry air in place. Dew points are in the 30s and low 40s at this point. That is pretty darn dry. And the bigger picture shows that the heavier rain chances are out to the west of us, where they have much more humidity locked in. We will be seeing an increase or feeling an increase in the humidity through especially the night tonight into the day tomorrow. That is because we have another storm system that is going to be coming together. We'll have another genesis of thunderstorms out in the plain states, but all of that is ahead of a shot of energy that will fire up a storm system, and that will drag a cold front through here by the time we hit Monday night into Tuesday. So we kind of have this little window where we're watching everything come together, and as it starts to evolve and come together, of course, this is where our forecast starts to pick up and get interesting. So your National Design hour by hour forecast, there's your clouds. Here's our little shower chances today, but watch how all of this in the plain states really starts to get some legs by the time especially we hit tomorrow morning. And whatever is left over of that will then initiate another round of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow night. So by Monday evening, we have thunderstorms knocking on our western doorstep. Typically what will happen is we'll have a little bit of a lull in the nighttime cooling, but you can see there are some thunderstorm chances that sneak through here. We'll continue to have rain and storms into Tuesday morning, and then things start to clear out for us. Now today, we don't have that problem. We've got the clouds, maybe a few sprinkles, but by the end of the day, we're going to be partly cloudy. We should be topping out right around the 80 degree mark throughout much of northern Ohio. Southeast winds on the lake should be beautiful boating weather. No problems. Just keep in mind that water temperature is still a little chilly. The UV index today, a 6. This is where the clouds are a good thing. Helps to protect us a little bit. And your Union Home Mortgage forecast really brings in the heat and humidity tomorrow ahead of those thunderstorms. So 85, the anticipated high tomorrow. Then that cold front that comes through tomorrow night into Tuesday morning will kick us back into the mid 70s, which is par for the course this time of the year. Carmen?